Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial, we will show you how to turn off Vanish mode on Instagram on your Android phone. Vanish mode allows you to send disappearing messages on Instagram. But if you want to turn it off and send normal messages, we've got you covered with these simple steps. Step 1. Open the Instagram app on your Android phone and log into your account. Step 2. Tap on the messenger icon located on the top right corner of the screen to open the conversation screen. Step 3. Open the conversation you want to turn off Vanish mode in. Step 4. Swipe up on the screen while you're in the DM conversation. This will activate Vanish mode and turn the screen black. Step 5. To turn off Vanish mode, simply swipe up on the screen again. The screen will return from black to normal, and you can start typing your message without it disappearing. And that's it. You have successfully turned off Vanish mode on Instagram on your Android phone. It is important to note that turning off Vanish mode will disable disappearing messages for that conversation. If you want to use Vanish mode again, simply swipe up on the screen while in the DM conversation. In addition, you can also turn off Vanish mode for all conversations in the Instagram app settings. This will disable Vanish mode for all conversations, and you will only be able to send normal messages. In conclusion, turning off Vanish mode on Instagram on your Android phone is a simple process that can allow you to send normal messages instead of disappearing ones. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.